Isabella and I got the opportunity to attend the 2020 ACCAs at Stearman Field. We met lots of intriguing pilots who took us on flights in their unique airplanes.
Okay, you got the flight controls. Flight controls.
Man, is that electric? That's quiet. I like that.
What's it like out there, Corey?
It is bumpy.
Hot and bumpy, huh?
Yeah.
Trying my hand at a Boeing 737-200 flight simulator and some admittedly sloppy hand flying.
What's your speed?
Yeah. Going 3-inch knots.
I want to clarify that I definitely have had more than the usual amount of time in Boeing 737 simulators. They are incredibly immersive and are a great way to get a taste of airline flying without worrying about any passengers. This one was no different. Let's go check out how I did, and I'll help explain some things about the 737 along the way.
I'll have you do it. I'll point to it. It just, see, the arming valve is on.
Okay.
So just hold that, move that over to ground, and it should stick.
Okay.
There we go. And it's going to hold
25
position.
on the N2?
Pull it up here when N2 gets up to about 20%.
To start or idle?
We'll go to idle.
Okay.
And then after it's up, then go up to idle. Well, go to start.
Yeah.
And then to idle.
Wow, that N2 comes a lot fast.
Okay.
So now I should go up to idle?
Idle, yes. Okay, there you go. Now do engine number 2.
So what we are doing here is starting the engine ignition and then waiting for the N2 or engine core to reach a certain speed before introducing fuel. This ensures a proper engine start while avoiding overheating. Once the N2 reaches 20%, the fuel control lever is moved to introduce fuel, and once the engine ignition is complete, the starter automatically disengages.
Pressure. And it switches back. Cool.
Okay, yeah, because those are electrically held in place until after they start. Okay. Next thing here is that where we're parked, I just use the tiller.
Okay, yeah, it's taxi. Big up.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah.
The tiller. Well, we're going to do a hard right turn. This is where all the cargo area is right here. Right here is the taxiway out here. We're just turning around. We'll intersect a yellow line, and we'll follow it to the first taxiway up here.
Okay.
There it is, right there to your left.
Yeah, you want me to go left here?
Yeah, right there. Nope, back to your left.
Back to my left. I was gonna go follow that green line into Charlie.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, probably
you're right.
do
You're
that.
right. You're right.
Yeah.
See if there's anything coming that way. Or your left.
Your right and your left.
Okay, good. Right. Okay. And just full brake. Okay. Your airspeeds are right there. Right there.
Yep.
And of course altimeter, VSI, heading right there. We're on about 2.7. Well, 2.7. That one there doesn't adjust. We have it set up so that the co-pilot will adjust.
Okay.
But the RMI is set for McCarran.
Okay.
So if we go out, we'll be able to know where we're at on McCarran. Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah, cool. And like I said, I'm just going full thrust.
Yeah, go and watch your red lines on the N2s, and just keep it below the red lines.
That should be enough thrust.
Okay, 70,
Checked.
80, 90, 100, 110, 120, V1, V2, rotate. Got positive rates.
Keep you up. You want to help me with that?
That's right, gears going up.
Okay. I just put it to the off. I guess that works.
Yeah, that works. And flaps, we'll bring the flaps up to 0.
Flap 0. I guess I can climb more here.
So the Las Vegas Strip is going to be off over here to your right.
Okay.
So the whole city is up here to your north. So you can fly back around, come back and land on that. Just watch your speed.
Yeah. Going 300 knots.
You could fly, turn to like, 030 and you'll see it. Yeah, it's a lot different. It's because you're flying it mechanically right now. And this is like the first generation of autopilots right here. You still have your different levels.
Yeah.
Nellis is straight ahead right there.
Okay.
And then McCarran is back over here next to the strip.
It's not this airport here? Or?
No, that's the Dallas North or
Okay.
Las Vegas North, the GA airport.
Okay. So, should probably start slowing down, huh?
Yeah, you could slow down and then shoot an approach right here. Start your turn into
Slow to 200.
start your turn at the McCarran.
I think I'll go flaps 5. Flaps 5.
We're gonna go to 19. Keep your turn going.
Me leaning here to try and see more outside the window just goes to show how immersive these sims really are.
See the blink? They're blinking.
Yeah. Okay, so let's slow down a little more. Let's go gear down and flaps 15.
Yep. But you probably want a little more altitude.
More altitude, yeah. Still got plenty of airspeed to go.
Yeah, so at least the Vassies they're still all red, but
Yeah.
you go to full flaps, that help push your flight.
We'll go flaps 30. So we're taking 9 left, the 19 left or 19 right?
Left.
Left it is.
Yeah, left is already centered.
Yeah. And what's the approach speed? It's probably good for flaps 30.
Yeah, I'm gonna say yeah, like 140.
140, okay. And is this armed? Yeah, it's armed. Okay, gear down 3 green, flaps 30, speed brakes armed.
Looking good.
Oh, I'm way too fast. Just realized that. Okay, let's bring it back a lot. guess we'll call that first idle.
Very nice.
Thank you. The reversers.
Yeah.
Back on this.
There we go.
And then 60, and I'll stow the reversers. See if we can make this. We're just coming to a full stop on the runway?
Yeah, or you can taxi off the runway, go up to the your next turnoff.
That was fun.
That was really good.
Thank you.
It's really unusual. I mean, it's too bad my flight directors aren't working.
Okay, we'll stop it here. APU on. There we go, and then kill these guys. What's the purpose of the sim, and where did you guys kind of get it from?
It started out as like a treehouse project for a guy by the name of Irving Jensen. His wife had suggested building his kids a treehouse, and so he had an aviation fetish. So he thought, well, let's make an aviation treehouse. So he went out and started collecting airplane parts to outfit this treehouse, and then it just sort of morphed into a full-blown cockpit.
Thanks once again to Steve for bringing the sim down and letting me fly it. I'll leave his email in the description if you would like to find out more about this 737 flight sim.